Hello, lovely viewers. You're welcome to Befe Show. Thank you so much for joining me once again on the show. I'm so excited. You're very much welcome if you are just seeing me for the very first time. Today, I'll be talking about brown onions, and this is what brown onions look like. Generally, onions belong to the allium family, so same applies to the brown onions. Now, let's look at the description of the brown onions. Just as you can see, it has the brown back. It's also called yellow onion. So it has a brownish yellowish skin, and this skin is paper-like. Okay, it's like paper. I think you can hear. Yeah, it's like paper. Then inside the onion looks like this. It's whitish. Okay, so inside the onion is whitish. That's all about the description. Now, this onion is known to be the standard onion for cooking. So if you have a recipe and the type of onion was not specified on the recipe, it is much more advisable to use the brown onions because it goes for anything. It can be used for cooking soups, stew, you can caramelize with it, you can steam with it, fry. You can do so many things with it. So it is best to go in for brown onions. Brown onions have a long cooking lifespan, so it can stay on the fire for a long period of time. In fact, the longer this onion stays on fire, the sweeter it becomes. It's a secret for preparing tomato stew. So you blend a high amount of this brown onions and then you steam it on the fire under low heat for a long period of time. The more it becomes brownish, the sweeter the onion becomes, and definitely it will affect the taste of your stew, isn't it? Right. So this onion is very much preferable in cooking, especially African meals, because you know our meals stay on heat for a very long period of time. Now let's go into the benefits of using this onion. This onion is high in antioxidants, and we know what antioxidants does. It helps reduce the risk of we getting cancer of any way. Okay, it helps us reduce the risk of getting cancer. It's also rich in anti-inflammatory properties. So getting those bloated body and swollen body, it helps reduce all those things. One important thing about this brown onion is that it helps reduce the pain from bee sting. Okay, honey bee sting. Like if bee stings you or insect stings you and it's hurting, you just maybe divide the onion just as this one is and then you rub it on the sting. It reduces the pain. So you can see that this brown onions is very good. So if you've not started using it, just try it out, give it a try, and then leave what maybe you experienced in the comment section. If you do use this onion, tell us what you use it for, the different dishes and recipes you use it for, because that's what Befe Show is all about. It's all about we learning from each other. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet you next time, and thank you for joining me on Befe Show. Bye bye.